Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜 and I'm an application scientist at Micromeritics Instrument Corporation, the world's leading provider for instrumentation for the characterization of powders, particles, and porous materials. Today we're going to be looking at the Micromeritics Sub-Sieve AutoSizer 2, or SAS 2, for the determination of accurate and reliable particle size data. The SAS 2 is a fully automated version of the Fisher Sub-Sieve Sizer and determines powder bed porosity, average particle size, and specific surface area. First, we are going to take a look at the instrument and familiarize ourselves with the modern components. The piston is controlled by a stepper motor that is zeroed prior to an analysis. This lets the instrument determine the exact height of the sample material during compression in order to calculate the powder bed porosity. The touchscreen is an internal computer used to operate the instrument and view collected data. You can navigate using a stylus or your finger. There is a USB port in the front and two USB ports in the back. These can be used to upload and download data with a flash drive, as well as connecting a keyboard and mouse to navigate the software. There are two network ports on the back of the SAS that can be used to connect to a network printer, internal network, or to a PC. When connected to a PC, you can open any browser window and control the SAS through the IP address. The PC web browser view is identical to the touchscreen. There is an emergency stop button to turn off the stepper motor and a safety shield that must be in place in order to operate the SAS. These are safety measures since the compression force is set and automated. Once the compression begins, it will continue until the maximum force is applied. If you would like more information or want to know how the Micromeritics SAS 2 can benefit your lab, please visit our website at micromeritics.com for more information.